There's League of Legends.
Oh no.
Give back. Go on this team, please.
Oh hell no.
Anybody else? Anybody else?
I might be able to find one.
What finals do you have tomorrow?
I have math and science.
Oh my god.
Science therapy.
Okay. You have a science book?
Yes.
Okay, you should be studying. So you're going to take at least a half hour to 45 minutes tonight? I'm not kidding you. If I have to stay home from work and sit with you at a table, make sure you study, I can do that. Did you guys go to Dave's?
No.
Why?
Mom, I hate you.
Oh, be nice to your mother.
Mom!
Okay, so there's still left over whatchamacallit.
Okay.
Don't rush me out of here.
Mom!
I will take every fucking corn in this house. You can either have nuggets and macaroni and cheese, or you can have leftover of that stuff. Oh, I gotta go get my 20 back from him.
Mom! Where's my mac and cheese?
Cheese?
Oh,
Oh man.
What were you gonna say?
there are many people on the internet listening to you right now.
I really appreciate it.
Mac and cheese!
They're just trying to get Joel. Study. Thank you.
Mom, I hate you.
Mom, stop ruining my life.
Gosh!
Gosh.
Forget you people.
That was adorable.
Totes adorbs. Mom!